accidentally unsubscribed from Birdeye emails or texts. Quickly restore your notification settings to ensure you never miss important updates, alerts, or review notifications, keeping your business communication seamless and uninterrupted. To begin, click the profile icon and select the notifications option. A notification is displayed at the top. Click here to resubscribe all email communications. Alternatively, you can resubscribe by navigating to the Account section and clicking Users. Hover over the user, click Actions, and select Resubscribe on Email. Click Manage User to set up notification alerts for various categories. Scroll down to Edit and manage email alert notifications. After setting up the notifications, click Update to apply the settings. To learn more about setting up email alert notifications, refer to our Help Center article, Not Receiving Email Alerts. Here's how to fix it. The link is provided in the description below. Hope you found this video helpful. For more how-to videos, subscribe to our Birdeye YouTube channel.